Hi, my name is Dennis. My registration number is UR14CS319, and I am here today to explain the second experiment of Database Systems Lab. So let's get started. Our aim here is to enter the given data set into the given tables and use the DML commands to retrieve and manipulate the data. What DML is used for is for including commands permitting users to manipulate data in the given database. So this manipulation involves inserting data into tables, retrieving data from tables, deletion of data, and modifying, etc. Yeah, so we basically have we have 5 tables: customer, order line, product, and suppliers. And firstly, we are told to enter the data set into each of these tables. And so the first thing we do is insert the customer values. So the syntax is as follows: insert into customer followed by values, and you given the values in quotation marks. So for example, I've given the first data column as John Doe 01 and his particular address, which is 392 Sunset Boulevard, New York, NT 10059. So notice how all the values are given inside quotation marks, and within that we give it in parentheses. Likewise, we follow the same syntax for all other data sets. Notice how all following data are entered in a similar fashion. As you can see here, the next table also follows the same syntax: insert into ORD values and then followed by the values. Similarly, we follow the same thing for order line, products, suppliers. Okay. And secondly, we are told to update the postal code of Mary Smith to 10032. Let's see how that is done using the DML commands. We give the update command followed by the followed by the table name, and then we use the set command. Set postal code is equal to 10032, where customer ID is equal to 01. So where the customer ID is 01, the postal code will be updated to 10032. This follows the same protocol for all other similar updations. Thirdly, we are told to insert the record 108. We're given a bunch of data to insert into the order table, and this can be done by using this command over here: insert into table name values, and in parentheses we give all the values. As you can see here, the following syntax has elicited this output over here. Nextly, we are told to delete the record from order where order ID is equal to 108. So the syntax is delete from table name where order ID is equal to 108. What this basically does is it goes to 108 a table column one's order ID where the ID is equal to 108, and it deletes that from the table order. So that's that. And nextly, we are told to display the details of product whose price is greater than 100. This can be done through the following syntax: select price from order from the table name where price is greater than 100. This price is greater than 100 is more of a constraint in which we can specify a given number, and we can compare and contrast what prices we can select. So what this basically does, as you can see over here, it takes all prices from the table order quantity where the price is greater than 100. So everything above 100 is displayed in this table right here. Moving on, we are told to sort and display the details of the supplier whose rating is greater than or equal to 100. This is very much like the previous question, and the syntax for sorting and displaying the details is as follows. You select rating from suppliers from the table name where rating is greater than 4. So as you can see, a rating which is greater than 4 is being displayed in the table over here. Yep, and our seventh question, sort the table order line in descending according to the ordered price. Yeah, so this is also like the previous question as stated. Here we give select star. Select star is basically to display all values, all data from the particular table name. So we have given select star from order quantity, order by price, DESC, which stands for descending. So what this basically does, it sorts the table order line in descending order, based according to the ordered pricing. So as you can see here, this goes in descending order, starting for 34,560 all the way down to 2,000. Okay, next we have to show the customer details who have ordered the table lamp. Yeah, so the syntax would be select star from product where product description in table lamp. So what this does, it searches for the data table lamp in the product description, and it returns all results that match the following condition. So all product descriptions with table lamp is returned to the select star, and the following is displayed in the output. Nextly, we have how many customers have a name that ends with letter A. The next following question also follow the same syntax. So yeah, the syntax is as follows: select some customer name from customer where customer name like quotation marks A and then percentage sign. So this basically tells our DML language to look for the keyword A, and it returns all customer names that ends in with the letter A. Similarly, the next question, which asks us to list the customers who have the letter Y in their name. So that follows this syntax over here. Select some customer name from customer where customer name like quotation marks percentage y and then percentage sign again, and then it's closed. So this basically returns all customers who have Y in their name. Notice how only one percentage was included in percentage sign was included in the first in the ninth question. This is because we are trying to find a name that ends with the letter A. In the 10th question, we are being told to find we're told to find a customer name that has the letter Y in their name, and it's a more general question. The next question is to show the customers whose name starts with the letter J. So yeah, it's basically the same syntax. Select star from customer where customer name like percentage J percentage quotation marks, and this would return all the customers with name whose names start with the letter J. Nextly, we have to list the names of customers whose ordered quantity is between 10 to 15. The syntax is as follows: select s underscore name from suppliers, the table name, where ordered quantity between 10 and 15. As this implies, we are this would display all the ordered quantity between 10 to 15. So as you can see here, the S underscore names of those quantities between 10 to 15 are displayed. Following that, we are told to display the names of the customers in alphabetical order. In order to do that, we would give our command as select star from customer order by customer underscore name ASC, which stands for ascending order. As you can see here, the customer names are listed in alphabetical order. Moving on, our next question is to find the number of orders placed on the 10th of October 2014. So the syntax would be for select count ordered underscore date from the table name, where order underscore date is equal to 10 October 2014. So the syntax would basically return all orders placed on the given date, which is October 10, 2014. And the count number is displayed right here as we prompted it to. Lastly, we are told to show the order details of customer details for the product ID 1000. So we have to show both the details and customer details, order details and customer details. So we have given as select product description as well as the product line ID from product, where product ID is equal to 1000. So where product ID is equal to 1000, from that we select both, we display both product description and product line. And as you can see, two entries are displayed here: office desk and office and keyboard. And the product ID of both these attributes would be 1000. That'll be it for this experiment. Thank you.